Hello friends, welcome to JavaFirst. Now I am going to discuss the topic two-factor data access control with the efficient revocation for multi-authority cloud storage system. Let's see how we are going to secure and store the data in a cloud. So as per the paper, here the data owner can able to upload the file to the cloud and the end user can able to download the file from the cloud with this security. Here we are going to develop the project by the concept of multi-owner group based file accessing system with all the security mentioned in this paper. So let's take a small example. HOD in a department becomes a group manager as well as an attribute authority. He can create a n number of users to a group and can assign the attributes. Any user in the group can upload the file into their group storage, and other users in the group can be able to download the file which is uploaded by himself or security. Once a member in the group is revoked by the group manager, then that the user can't able to download any file from the group. But what are the files uploaded by the revoked member in a group? Let's see how we develop the project by using the web application. To develop this project, we used MVC architecture model view controller. Now the admin is going to log in. The admin is the authority based. Here the admin is an authority. The admin can able to log in. He can able to create the groups, and he can able to create the group manager for the group, and the admin can able to maintain the cloud. Let's see small example. Now the group has been created. The authority can able to create the group manager to the group. Now the group manager is created successfully. The admin, as he created the group, that will be created the that has created a storage space in the cloud. Here the group member can able to upload the file, and he can able to download the file. Now the group member manager can able to log in. Here the group member can able to create the members, and he can able to view the member details who are in the group, members revocation, change password, logout. Let's create one member in a group. Add a member to a group. While they created the members, the group manager will pass a key to the group member, and the group manager can able to view the group member details. Go. Now log in with the group manager. Here the group member can able to upload the file to the cloud, and he can able to view the file, change password, and while the group member is going to upload the file from the to the cloud, he has to give the security key that the group manager has sent to the mail while creating the group member. Now the file has been uploaded by using a RSA algorithm to the cloud. Now file has been uploaded successfully to the cloud. Here the file is encrypted by using a RSA algorithm, and the group member can able to view the file that he uploaded to the cloud. Here the group member can able to select the group, and he can able to download the file from the cloud. While downloading the file, he has to give the security key to decrypt and download the file from the cloud. Now the file has been decrypted and downloaded successfully from the cloud. Now the member is revoked from the group. The member who is revoked from the group, he can't able to download the file from the cloud. Here the member is revoked from the group. Now he can't able to download the file from the cloud. Thank you, friends.